Hi everybody again, welcome back. This is Kentaro Sato, SATOKEN'S box break show. Oh yeah, this is video number 2 for today. Thank you very much. How was this autograph signing session? Any comments? Not bad, not good, mediocre, awesome. Yeah, it was awesome. I think I really satisfied. It was really fun. I really enjoyed signing my autograph card. Yeah, I think I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Maybe over 30 cards for sign session. It was very nice. My first experience, of course. Well, okay, the next one, double header today. Next one, I mean, this time I would like to do the recap of 2013-2014 Black Diamond Ice Hockey Box Break Recap Show. Yeah, this is very awesome. And as I told you before, I already opened it. Oh, I already opened it. So, let's show what I got from this box. Okay, I will go your side. Yeah, don't miss it. Quick. Let's do this within 5 minutes. Not particular reason, but I don't want to waste your time. Yeah. Black Diamonds there, Nail Yakupov, and who's that? Yeah, Cooter, Fula Girl. Oh, the board is a little bit hitting her up. だからこういうのがさ、時間の無駄になっちゃうから、そういうことやんなきゃいいのにさ。Oh my gosh. Come on, stay here. Come on, ninja. Oh, ninja. Come on, stand up. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about it. Yes. And hit recap. Already opened it. Hit recap here. Well, it was very fun. Really, you know, upgraded compared to the last season. Of course, the double lookie scene is very nice for us. Well, it was very nice. So, first I got 2 jersey card. The double jersey card of Buffalo Sabres Mark Syke. Is it correct? Mark Syke. Sorry. Still not in good condition. Sorry. And the second jersey card was Black Diamond double jersey Lukey double jersey card of Jared Tinaldi, Montreal Canadiens. Those are no numbers. I think it's Group H, so it's very easy to pull. And 3 triple diamond cards. I won't show all the cards. I don't show all the cards, especially under the double diamond cards. The 3 triple diamond cards: Chris Kunitz, Pittsburgh Penguins, and Claude Giroux, Philadelphia Flyers, and PK Subban of Montreal Canadiens. And 4 rookie cards. Nathan Beaulieu, triple diamond rookie cards, rookie gems, Montreal Canadiens, and Philip Forsberg, Nashville Predators, rookie gem cards, and Bo Bennett from Pittsburgh Penguins, rookie gem cards, and the quad rookie gem rookie diamond cards was Morgan Rielly, Toronto Maple Leafs. Not bad, very nice. Morgan Rielly. And 2 other Beetlen quad diamond cards were Matt Sundin and Melio Lemieux. Lemieux quad diamond cards. And 1 parallel Ruby parallel card of Rook Robitaille double diamond ruby parallel, number 250, number 16 out of 50, and I got this one. Oops, Stanley Cup champions. Links card of Marian Hossa, Chicago Blackhawks. I think this card falls 1 in 158 packs. The odds? No number. Yeah, I think it's a very nice card. Nice cool looking card. And the final hit is, yeah, remember that one? The Ice Premier cards. And Ice Premier cards, first time, my first ever experience to pull the level 1 Ice Premier cards. And the player was Ice Premier level 1 of Radmil Tarasenko. Number 299, number 10 out of 99. Radmil Tarasenko. This is very nice. Very nice. But the one problem is, I'm not sure someone will help me with this issue. This is a very nice card, but unfortunately, can you see it? There is an initial damage left side corner. I'm not sure Mr. Upper Deck Company will help with this card or replacement. I'm not sure. I'm not expecting so much, but if somebody has good idea, please kindly tell me how to cope with this one. But still nice card. Still nice card. Level 1, number 99, number 299, number 10 out of 99, Radmil Tarasenko. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching my 2 videos today. Double header. Maybe next one will be the baseball one. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye, buddies. Thumbs up. Bye.